Mic check. 93. But I still love you. Maybe I had around here a little more than I should. We would know I get somewhere else to go. But get something to tell you, then I never thought I would. But I believe you really ought to know. I love you. I honestly love you. You don't have to answer. I see in your eyes. Maybe it was better left unsaid. This is pure and simple, and you should realize that is coming from heart and not my head. I love you. I honestly love you. I'm not trying to make you feel comfortable. I'm not trying to make you anything at all. But this feeling doesn't come along every day. And you shouldn't blow the chance. You get a chance to say I love you. I love you. I honestly love you. If you were born in another place in time, this moment might be ending again. But there you are with yours, and there I am with mine. So I guess we'll just be leaving it at this. I love you. I honestly love you. Honestly love you. Yeah, really. Oh yeah, I honestly love you.